This is ghost towns in Nevada and California. We're here at the Glad Tidings Mine, Summit City Canyon, Alpine County, California. Mokelumne Mining District. High Sierras. This was the old mine, was right here. Right here, I should say. Here's some of the old rock work that went towards going into the entrance. The adit is collapsed. This is a hell of a hike down here, but it's well worth it if you're into history. We also got some drone footage, possibly, maybe, the Mokelumne mine, which is above this one. We got the drone up high enough, might have been able to spot the pit for that. Anyways, here was the adit for the Glad Tidings Mine. Here's where they stack the rocks. This is old mining district, 1960s. Now a lot of people know about the actual Summit City. Upper Summit City, Lower Summit City. There's nothing absolutely left at Lower Summit City. And Upper Summit City was the main town. And these were the mines that supported Summit City, its residents. This is located in the Mokelumne Wilderness area in the El Dorado National Forest. Got this new little DJI Mavic Mini drone. You bring it in a backpack with you. It's real nice. Last time we've been in here 3 previous times. Last time was 2017. We never had a drone with us. Now we have some drone footage of this deal here. And we're going to try to get as best we can some of the old town side of Summit City. Which was settled mainly by Confederate sympathizers back in the 1860s, and they were supposedly the ones that named Jeff Davis Peak, which you can't see from here, but and at one time it was the largest voting precinct in Alpine County. Before Alpine County was formed, this was all part of Amador County. This is some desolate shit. It was a steep walk in, steep walk out. It's hard to believe 600 souls lived in this canyon at one time. But we'll throw the drone footage in this video. We'll do that first, and then I'll put this video in when I post it on YouTube. But if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Ghost towns in Nevada and California. Signing